What's up, everybody? It's Pokebug here. Today I've got my second booster box. Where actually, I think I got this one on release day at a local card shop here. Good deal on it. So I'm gonna bust this thing open, see what we got inside. Y'all see it. If y'all haven't watched my first booster box opening, definitely go check that out. I definitely got some very cool pulls out of there, but I'm still looking for quite a bit, so let's go ahead and get it open. I think my last booster box I started on the left side, so today I'm going to start on the right. Oop. I think every booster pack tried to jump out of there at once. There we go. Here we go, guys. See what we get today. The dude in front of me, I think I was third in line for the booster boxes, and there was a girl first and she got something, and then she got one, and then the dude right in front of me grabbed two, so I just grabbed one. Bronzor, Electrike, Ghastly, Binacle, Murkrow. We got a Makuhita reverse and the Rotom V. Let's go. I have not gotten this one yet. That is a very vibrant card. Absolutely nice. Good pull. There we go, guys. Look at that. Put it up here. Left side. Nice pull out of the first pack. Let's go. We got a Giratina pack art. You know what that means. Better chance of getting Giratina in here. That's what it means when you get one on the pack art. I've never seen it work, but I promise you. Bronzong, Colress's Experiment, Porygon 2, Phalanx, Poliwag, Oddish, Growlithe, Seedot. We got the Rhydon reverse and a Beautifly holographic. Very nice. A very good looking card right there. Keep going with this right side. The white code card. Three, four. Komala, Toolbox, Hariyama, Meditite. We got the Squovit. We got Gligar, Phantump, Sudowoodo, Roserade Trainer Gallery, and a Clefable non-hollow in the back. Let's go ahead and throw Roserade in a sleeve. I have a few of these now, so ready for some other ones. I'm still looking for the Gengar, man. I'm still looking for the Gengar. Can't believe I haven't gotten it yet. I got the Charizard. I was looking for that Gengar. That Trainer Gallery spot. A few more. Like some really good cards out of that spot, like the Eternatus. Some other ones. Centiskorch, Carbink, Komala, Thornton, Inkay, Basculin, Jinx, Makuhita, Bronzor. We got a Radiant Gardevoir, and it's hiding a Galarian Berserker V. Okay. Got both of those. Very nice. That was a good pack. We got a Radiant card. We got a Berserker V. Very nice. Definitely not upset about that. Put Gardevoir over here. Throw Berserker in a sleeve. Not the Berserker we're looking for. We definitely want to get that Berserker alt art. But a good one here. I'm hoping those dudes in line in front of me did not get the luck in theirs. He told me good luck as he walked out. So I'm hoping he had very bad luck on his. I didn't tell him nothing. Because I need all the luck on my side. White code card. We still get anything out of that Trainer Gallery spot. Get a Radiant in that section. There we go. Box of Disaster. Bronzong, Chorus' Experiment, Snover, Rhyhorn, Apom, Roselia, a Gumi, a Manectric, and a Spiritomb, non hollow. In that trainer gallery spot, you can literally get anything from the trainer gallery. Of course, the gold Pikachu. You can get some radiant cards, and so even with these white code cards, there's still a chance of you getting something, which is very cool. 1, 2, 3, 4. So all hope is not lost when you do get that white code card like other sets. Lost City, Ducklet, Blipbug, Finian, Zorua, Paris. And no way, guys. We pulled a big one here. I think this is my best card that we've gotten from Lost Origins so far. It is currently going for $58.86. We have pulled the Pikachu VMAX while he's standing there with red out of the trainer gallery. Wow. That's more expensive than the alt arts for Rotom and Berserker. Wow, that was definitely a chase for me. Whoa. Great card right there. I'll put him into a freaking big sleeve. The top loader. Make sure nothing bad happens to him. Wow, that's a great card. We'll put him right under here with him. Wow. I was not expecting that at all. What is this, a white code card? A white code card. That's what I was saying. Man. That is an absolutely amazing pull. Very happy with that one. 1, 2, 3, 4 to the front. My collection is growing big. Wow. We got Damage Pump, Seviper, Stunfisk, Slugma, Tynamo, Litleo, Mindfu, Litwick. We got the Gumi reverse and a Zoroark. Holographic card. Cannot believe that. That is just amazing. We definitely wanted to see that. Absolutely crazy pull right there. The third most expensive in the set. I mean, everyone loves Pikachu, and when he's big and chunky like that, I mean, it's just the best. Fantina, Horsey, Mawile, Shellos, Benacle, Porygon. We got the Orbeetle reverse, and a Manectric on hollow. Insane pull. Already happy with this box. I don't need to get anything else out of here. Though it wouldn't be bad. There we go. V-Star card. Cascoon, Ambipom, Abomasnow, Phalanx, Poliwag, Oddish, Growlithe, Seedot, Electric, reverse, and a Malamar, non-hollow. We got a few more packs on this side. Thought I wasn't recording that for a second. But we're good. Psyching myself out. Here we go, guys. 1, 2, 3, 4 to the front. We got Fighting Energy. Do see something back there. Mine Shao, Lake Acuity, Luminion, Love Disc. We got a Gligar, a Wurmple, a Rhyhorn, Murkrow, the Pyroar reverse, and there we go. We got a Drapion V-Star. Insane. I do have this one, I believe. I do want the Rainbow Drapion V-Star. That would be sick to pull. But here we go. We got a Drapion V-Star. Put them over here next to those. I'm gonna do this card right here. Yeah, that Pikachu VMAX is definitely one I was eyeballing before the set even dropped. So, stoked I was able to pull it. Here we go. Got the wind-up arm, Machoke, Mirage Gate, Inkay, Basculin, Jinx, Makuhita, Bronzor, got a Hisuian Gudra reverse, and a Haunch Crow. Put these to the side, get them on my way. Pikachu is a huge pull, guys. Go 1, 2, 3 to the front. So we got an Arc Phone, Medicham, Misfortune Sisters, Machop, Pikachu, Phantump, Sudowoodo, he went flying, Electrike, got a Love Disc Reverse, and a Vileplume holographic. How many more packs we got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7. So we got a few more packs left on the side. I'll probably call it for the day. Move on to the next side in another video. Definitely check out my last booster box opening. And I do a lot of openings on the channel, so if this is your first time watching, definitely go and check out those videos. A Poliwhirl, Licky Licky, Luminion, Ducklet, we got a Blipbug, Finneon, Zorua, Paris, Misfortune Sisters Reverse, and a Mr. Mime here to troll us. Who enjoys Mr. Mime? Because not me. I used to when I was a kid. I really did like Mr. Mime a lot. And now he's just a big old troll. There we go. And this one, some whiting going on over there. Hopefully nothing crazy. We got a Toolbox, a Gloom, Gastrodon, Litwick, Roselia, got a Rockruff, Seal, Shuppet, Slugma Reverse into a Giratina V. Regular art. Here we go. Still a great pull. Very usable if you're if you actually do play the actual card game. Very usable card there. Put him over here. See him. Go. I do want to see the Giratina alt art so bad. I need to look up a video of someone actually pulling him. Gastrodon, Haunter, Horsey, Mawile, Shellos, Benacle, Porygon. You got a Castform, Trainer Gallery, and the Dugong on Holo. I do like that Trainer Gallery card. I have pulled him a couple times now, so I can do away with him. I'm opening up all these packs because there is a trade night going on at my local card shop that I might hit up soon. It's actually tomorrow. They said they got free food there. Pokemon lovers. See if anyone's down to trade for anything. See if I can find something crazy there. With some of my doubles. Got a box of Disaster, Slick Goo, Electric, Licky Tongue, Slugma, Clefairy, Apalm. We got a Spinnerack, a Lake Acuity, and the Ariados. I'm dropping cards all over the place. I only got 3 more here. 2 more after this one. 1, 2, 3, 4. We got Lightning Energy. We got Porygon 2, Lake, Carbink, Wurmple, Clefairy, Lickitung, Horsey, Shuppet, Malamar Reverse, and a Hoopa non-holo. Open this one up. We'll move on to our last pack here, guys. I'll probably show y'all everything I pulled in today's video. 1, 2, 3, 4. The front. Here we go. Fighting Energy, Riley, Nuzleaf, Hariyama, Electric, Love Disc, Gligar, Wurmple, Rhyhorn, got a Gastrodon, and a Cresselia holo. I actually really like that card. Wow. Very nice. Very good card right there. This is the last pack here, guys. And then in the next video, I'll open up this left side here. Ending it on a Gardevoir pack. See if we can pull something crazy here. 1, 2, 3, 4 to the front. Fighting Energy, Swanna, Hariyama, Nuzleaf, Salugma, Tynamo, Litleo, Mindfu, Litwick, Shiftry Reverse, and the Gliscor non-holo. I'll show you guys what I've got. Did pull some heat today. So here we go. We got the cast form today. Giratina V, Radiant Gardevoir, Roserade, got the Drapion V-Star, Galarian Berserker V, we got a Rotom V, and our big hitter today, this VMAX Pikachu. Absolutely great card, guys. If you like the video, leave me a comment, give me a sub if you want to see more Pokemon openings. And yeah, I'll catch you all on the next one. See ya.